Hey everyone, shopping for a 10-year-old girl might seem tricky at first. I mean, they're in full-on tween mode, but honestly, it's a total blast. From the cutest room decor to seriously cool DIY kits and personalized treasures, we've rounded up 20 amazing gifts for 10-year-old girls in 2025 that are tween approved. Let's jump right in. 1. LED marquee letter light with remote. Want a gift that lights up her room and her mood? This customizable letter light changes into 16 different colors with a remote. It's fun, it's personal, and according to Amazon reviewers, it's a total hit at birthday parties. 2. Lego Planet Earth and Moon in Orbit. Future astronaut in the house? This 500-plus piece Lego set lets her build a model of the Earth and Moon orbiting the Sun, with a working crank to make it all move. Learning science never looked this cool. 3. Kids Pod Swing Seat. This hanging swing seat is the ultimate cozy spot for reading, relaxing, or scrolling through cute animal videos. It even has a built-in pocket inside. And yes, it comes in 5 fun colors. 4. Bionic Robotic Arm Stem Kit. One of this year's Good Housekeeping Best Toy Award winners. This kit lets her build a robotic arm that moves using nylon cords. No electronics, just engineering and biology. Trust us, this one's got wow factor. 5. Design your own nature collection collage kit. If she loves art and nature, she'll love this. Layering leaves, flowers, and other nature-inspired prints creates a cool 3D collage for her wall, window, or locker. 6. The Sherlock Society book. A new mystery book series about 4 kids turned amateur detectives. And yes, every chapter ends on a mini cliffhanger. Even reluctant readers won't want to put this down. 7. My Friendship Bracelet Maker. This kit makes bracelet crafting so easy, with built-in clips and string holders. It even has a drawer to store supplies. All she needs to bring? Her creativity. 8. Happy Face Slippers. You can't go wrong with these fuzzy, smiley face slippers. They're cozy, memory foam comfy, and come in lots of colors. Instant mood booster? Definitely. 9. Custom name neon sign. A room isn't complete without a neon name sign. Choose the font, the color, the size. She'll feel like she has her very own brand. Perfect for above the bed or desk. 10. Fujifilm Instax Mini. 12 camera. Forget digital. Give her something she can actually hold. This instant camera prints out pics on the spot, and it comes in 5 fun colors. Just don't forget the extra film. 11. Corey Page Silky Soft Plush Shorts. Designed by tween favorite Corey Page, these plush fleece shorts are ridiculously soft and come with a matching zipper pouch for ultimate cozy vibes. 12. STMT DIY Journaling Set. If she loves journaling, this set takes it to the next level. Glitter tape, die-cut shapes, stickers, chipboard frames, it's all included to make every page a masterpiece. 13. Initial Jewelry Box. A monogrammed jewelry box that's equal parts cute and functional. She can stash her earrings, rings, or secret notes, all in her favorite color. 14. Pillow Bed Floor Lounger. Just add 5 regular pillows, and this cover transforms into the coziest floor bed. Great for movie nights, reading corners, or sleepovers. 15. Cursive Name Necklace. These handmade necklaces are customizable with names up to 9 letters long. Choose gold, rose gold, or silver, and even the chain length. 16. Taco Cat Goat Cheese Pizza Card Game. This game is chaos in the best way. Players slap the pile when the card matches the word, but blink and you'll miss it. It's fast, hilarious, and seriously addictive. 17. Jellyat Coffee to Go Plush Crossbody Purse. It's plush, it's a purse, and it's shaped like a smiling cup of coffee. Zips open to hold her stuff and has a crossbody strap. Adorable and useful. 18. DIY Mochi Ice Cream Kit. Let her channel her inner dessert chef. This kit includes all the ingredients and tools to make 4 batches of mochi ice cream at home. Warning, it's deliciously fun. 1001 Amazing Science Facts. Why do we drink the same water as dinosaurs? Are there more trees or stars? This book has all the cool science facts she never knew she needed and now won't stop quoting. 20. Star Wars Ahsoka Tano Wristlet Wallet. For the Star Wars fan, this Ahsoka-inspired wallet is both stylish and subtle. There's room for cash, cards, and even her phone. There you have it. 20 of the best gifts for 10-year-old girls in 2025, all tween-tested and parent-approved. Whether she's crafty, techie, dreamy, or sporty, there's something here that's sure to wow her. Don't forget to like, comment your favorite, and subscribe for more awesome gift guides. See you next time.